Want to transform your messy Discord server into a perfectly organized haven? Let's dive into creating role categories. Ever feel overwhelmed by your Discord server's member list? Managing permissions can be a headache, but don't worry. Role categories are your new best friend. First, click on your server name in the top left corner, then select Server Settings. In the Server Settings menu, find and click on the Roles tab. This is where all the magic happens. To start, we need to create new roles. Click the big, bright Create Role button. Now, let's give our role a name. Think about what this role represents. For example, Moderator, VIP, or Event Helper. You can also choose a distinct color to make it easily identifiable in your member list. Next, the most important part, permissions. Click on the Permissions tab here. You can grant specific abilities to members with this role, like sending messages, managing messages, or even kicking members. Be strategic with what you assign. Now, let's organize. Role order matters. Higher roles have more power. You can drag and drop your newly created roles to place them in your desired hierarchy. This visually organizes your server members. To assign a role, simply right-click on a member in the server list, hover over roles, and select the category you want to assign them. See how neatly organized that looks. With different role categories, you can easily manage who has access to what, making your server run smoother than ever. By creating custom role categories, you're not just assigning titles. You're building a structured and manageable community. Happy organizing.